Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the passenger window is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the passenger window fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. You, by the way guys, have multiple fuse boxes, some of them are extremely hidden. We have a complete video about fuse box location on Ford Fusion on our channel. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Now what we need to do, we need to come to the inside, open the driver door. Under the dash guys, you see that trim on the bottom that extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here and 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens on a hinge, and deep inside the dash on the left side you will guys have the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, for the passenger window, one fuse will need to be checked. Oh, by the way guys, you see, let's zoom in a little bit. You see these double fuses? A piece of advice, always keep some spare ones, because we were in the middle of nowhere, we needed a fuse and we were stuck because we couldn't find a replacement fuse. They're hard to find. Keep some spares guys. Next to the fuses you have numbers that indicate that number, and we start right here, and the fourth fuse, okay, it will say 26 right here. That fuse guys, okay, that's for the passenger window that you need. 26, excuse me, it's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth fuse right here. The number is right there. That's the fuse that you need to check for the passenger window. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.